Hello, welcome to a training on submitting a seatbelt survey in Iowa Grants. Step-by-step instructions, complete with screenshots, can be found on the GTSB website and also in Iowa Grants under Program Documents. For agencies funded with $402, a seatbelt survey must be conducted in March and in August of each year. A seatbelt survey consists of the observation of seatbelt use of front seat occupants for either 1 hour or 100 cars, whichever comes first. Seatbelt surveys are due by the 15th of the following month. Therefore, March results are due April 15th, August results are due September 15th, and are indicated on each status report. The Iowa Grant System will send you an automated courtesy reminder email 10 days out from the due date indicating a status report is due soon. The system will email you again 3 to 5 days prior to the due date if you've still not submitted the report. The email will come from Iowa Grants. Now, to begin, log into Iowa Grants and click on My Grants. Select the appropriate grant for the current fiscal year. In this case, the Mayberry Police Department. Next, click on Status Reports. You will see a series of preloaded reports, and in this instance, click on the blue font report number in the ID column that matches your reporting period. For our purposes today, we are going to use August. Next, select on Seatbelt Survey in the table. Select the month in which you are reporting from the drop-down box, and enter the number of observed, hit the tab, and then enter the number of belted. Enter any comments that you may have, click on Return to Top, and then click Save. Once saved, the percentage of occupants buckled will automatically calculate for you. Finally, click Mark as Complete, and then Submit. When you receive this successfully submitted message, you know that the program administrator has been notified of your status report submission. Should you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to your program administrator.